Hi everyone, welcome to Bright Learners. Today, let's learn 50 real-life English sentences. Short, simple, and useful. Let's go!
Did the alarm go off?
Did the alarm go off?
Yes, I hit snooze twice.
Yes, I hit snooze twice.
Do you want some coffee?
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. Black is fine.
Yes, please. Black is fine.
Where's my phone charger?
Where's my phone charger?
I think it's on the nightstand.
I think it's on the nightstand.
Can we open the curtains?
Can we open the curtains?
Good idea. Let's let in some light.
Good idea. Let's let in some light.
What's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny but a bit chilly.
It's sunny but a bit chilly.
What should I wear today?
What should I wear today?
Wear a light jacket.
Wear a light jacket.
Are you in a hurry?
Are you in a hurry?
Yes, I have a meeting at 9.
Yes, I have a meeting at 9.
Can you help me with my hair?
Can you help me with my hair?
Sure, let me get a hair tie.
Sure, let me get a hair tie.
Did you feed the dog?
Did you feed the dog?
Not yet. I'll do it right now.
Not yet. I'll do it right now.
Are you ready to head out?
Are you ready to head out?
Almost. Just let me grab my keys.
Almost. Just let me grab my keys.
What's for breakfast?
What's for breakfast?
Just toast and eggs.
Just toast and eggs.
Is the coffee still hot?
Is the coffee still hot?
No, it's lukewarm.
No, it's lukewarm.
Can you pass me a bowl?
Can you pass me a bowl?
Here you go.
Here you go.
Where do the forks go?
Where do the forks go?
In the first drawer on the left.
In the first drawer on the left.
Does the milk smell okay?
Does the milk smell okay?
Let me check. No, it's sour.
Let me check. No, it's sour.
Can you help me set the table?
Can you help me set the table?
Sure, I'll get the napkins.
Sure, I'll get the napkins.
Is the oven preheated?
Is the oven preheated?
Yes, it's ready to go.
Yes, it's ready to go.
We're out of apples.
We are out of apples.
I'll add them to the grocery list.
I'll add them to the grocery list.
Can you empty the dishwasher?
Can you empty the dishwasher?
I'll do it in a second.
I'll do it in a second.
Is this leftovers?
Is this leftovers?
Yes, from last night's dinner.
Yes, from last night's dinner.
Dig in while it's hot.
Dig in while it's hot.
It looks amazing.
It looks amazing.
Do you need a refill?
Do you need a refill?
No, I'm good, thanks.
No, I'm good, thanks.
Can I have a napkin?
Can I have a napkin?
Sure, catch.
Sure, catch.
This is a bit salty.
This is a bit salty.
Really? It tastes fine to me.
Really? It tastes fine to me.
Is there any dessert?
Is there any dessert?
I have some ice cream in the freezer.
I have some ice cream in the freezer.
Do you want a taste?
Do you want a taste?
Yes, just a bite.
Yes, just a bite.
Who wants seconds?
Who wants seconds?
Me, it's so good.
Me. It's so good.
Can you clear the table?
Can you clear the table?
I'll help you with that.
I'll help you with that.
I'm stuffed.
I'm stuffed.
Me too. No more for me.
Me too. No more for me.
Should we save the leftovers?
Should we save the leftovers?
Yes, put them in a container.
Yes. Put them in a container.
Are you taking a shower?
Are you taking a shower?
Yes, give me 15 minutes.
Yes, give me 15 minutes.
Where's the toilet paper?
Where's the toilet paper?
It's in the cabinet under the sink.
It's in the cabinet under the sink.
Who used all the hot water?
Who used all the hot water?
Sorry, I took a long shower.
Sorry, I took a long shower.
Is the mirror foggy?
Is the mirror foggy?
A little bit. I'll wipe it.
A little bit. I'll wipe it.
Did you flush the toilet?
Did you flush the toilet?
Oops, I forgot. I'll do it now.
Oops, I forgot. I'll do it now.
Did you put the lid back on?
Did you put the lid back on?
Oops, I left it off.
Oops, I left it off.
I'm running low on toothpaste.
I'm running low on toothpaste.
I bought a new one yesterday.
I bought a new one yesterday.
Is the water too hot?
Is the water too hot?
No, it's just right.
No, it's just right.
Did you wash your hands?
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, with soap and water.
Yes, With soap and water.
Can I borrow your hair gel?
Can I borrow your hair gel?
Sure, it's in the drawer.
Sure, it's in the drawer.
Did you lock the door?
Did you lock the door?
Yes, don't worry.
Yes, don't worry.
What's on TV?
What's on TV?
Just the local news.
Just the local news.
Can we change the channel?
Can we change the channel?
Sure, what do you want to watch?
Sure, what do you want to watch?
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Can you toss me a pillow?
Can you toss me a pillow?
Here, catch.
Here, catch.
Who left their socks on the sofa?
Who left their socks on the sofa?
Oops, those are mine. I'll move them now.
Oops, those are mine. I'll move them now.
Room for one more?
Room for one more.
Come on in.
Come on in.
Yes, did you see that move?
Yes. Did you see that move?
That was awesome. I'm next.
That was awesome. I'm next.
Want to watch a movie?
Want to watch a movie?
I'm too tired. I might fall asleep.
I'm too tired. I might fall asleep.
Where's the tablet?
Where's the tablet?
It's charging on the sofa.
It's charging on the sofa.
Is it too dark in here?
Is it too dark in here?
A little. Let's turn on the lamp.
A little. Let's turn on the lamp.
Can you put your toys away?
Can you put your toys away?
Okay, I'll put them in the bin.
Okay, I'll put them in the bin.
Do you want to listen to music?
Do you want to listen to music?
That sounds relaxing.
That sounds relaxing.
I'm going to take a nap.
I'm going to take a nap.
Okay, I'll keep it down.
Okay, I'll keep it down.
That's all for today. Practice these sentences every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy learning. Bye.